Hi everyone, this is Surender from Cat Coach. Today what we're gonna see is Atlassian products called Trello. So Trello for beginners. So Trello is a beautiful Kanban technique approach software. It's a web app, it's an Android app. So it is very useful for a small team. So small team to effectively work. It's basically a productivity tool. So Trello is one of my favorite tool, and I'm very happy to explain about Trello in this video. So let us jump into the video. So let us go to the Trello website, that is trello.com. So this is the Trello website, and first I'll go to the pricing section. So we have four different pricing, that is free, standard, premium and enterprise. Actually, for a small team to effectively manage a project or effectively manage a company, free service is very sufficient and more than sufficient, not very sufficient. So we have unlimited cards, 10 boards per workspace, unlimited power ups, etc. So free version is more than sufficient for a small team. That is the thing what I'm trying to say. So already I have created an account. So I will log in. I will log in with Google. So now this is the Trello dashboard which you get for uh, any account. Okay. So first thing, this is a free account. This is not a private account. Sorry, this is not a paid account. This is a free account. And first thing what I need to explain is I'll go to a board, then I'll explain something. Wow, this is a Trello board. It looks already beautiful user interface. So what I would say is first I will explain about the Trello hierarchy. So what we have is first one is workspace. So workspace is collection of boards. What you are seeing is a board. This is a board. Board is empty, so you're not able to understand how a board looks like. So workspace, under workspace we have boards. Under boards we have list. Under list, under list we have cards. So this is the hierarchy workspace. Under workspace board, under board we have list, under list we have cards. Okay. So now let us quickly give a small introduction about Trello user interface for a board. So this is a board title is self board. So we have something called app section, that is array type of box, array of boxes is there, small boxes. So this is for Atlassian products. So Jira, Confluence, etc. So Trello is an Atlassian product. Atlassian is a very big company. So then this is Trello homepage. This is the homepage we already came in. So again I'll go to the board. The under workspace we have how many workspaces we can create, and in free account I guess we have unlimited workspaces, but collectively we can have only 10 boards. You can have multiple workspaces, but collectively you can have only 10 boards. Okay. Next, the recent this is two boards I have in the workspace. I have self board workspace workspace. I have a workspace called self board. I have a workspace called Trello workspace. Under a self board workspace I have my board. Under Trello workspace I have the Cat Coach board. So I have two workspace and two boards created already. This is start. If you have started any list, if you have started any cards, if you have started any boards, that will be visible here. Templates. So pre-built templates are available from which we can create boards and create. So in the create, what we have is a board or a workspace, or start with a template. So I already have two boards and two workspace. I'm not creating any of these things again. So now I'll jump into a board. In the left pane, we have the board section. We have boards. So already in this workspace, I have only one board. Then we can add members to the board. See, already I explained the hierarchy, workspace, boards, list and cards. So we can add members to the workspace. We can add members to the boards. You can add members to the list. You can add members to the cards. So different way we can add members. So this is adding members to the board. I'm not doing that. Workspace settings. So we'll go to the workspace settings. This all the deals about permissions, so I'm not going to explain this. This is a waste of time. I'll go to the boards again and my board. So now we have workspace views. This all these things I'll cover in the later part of the video. Now let me create a my board. Okay, I'll create a typical Kanban type of board. So if you want to know understand about what is a Kanban technique, I have created a blog article in my website. I'll put it in the description. You can go and see it. So first I'll create three lists. First list to do, next list doing, third list done. Okay, so I have created three lists. So three list is nothing but three columns. Horizontal elements are called as cards. So now we can have different cards. So let me put whatever in my mind randomly in to do. First thing, I have to learn Dynamo. I have to create new website for cat coach. Next I have to learn C sharp. Next I have to learn Python. Next I have to develop an idea for cat coach app. So etc, you can keep on creating. So I will get last to-do list, AutoCAD course creation. Okay, now I have the different cards. So each card will have so many different elements. So first I will arrange it. So what I'm doing is already you can put the card. So once a card is created, you can put in doing or you can put in done. So you can just drag and drop. So I'll put learn Dynamo is going on. Creating a new website is going on. So develop an idea for cat coach app. It is not yet. AutoCAD course creation is going on. So it is going on. Whatever I have done, I wanted to do some YouTube videos. The AutoCAD in 10 minutes. It's already created. So still more videos I have to create. I'll create another list, YouTube videos, etc, and I can add list. I can keep on adding this. So now what we have tried is workspace we have created. We have created a board under a workspace. Under workspace, under board, we have created different lists. Under list, we have different cards. So first thing, what we have to do in a card. So I'll randomly click a card. This is a card page. So card page, first what it is there, it is the name of the card and it's under which list. Then we have members. We can add members to the cards. As I already said, we can add member to the board, member to the card. So anyways, and we can have labels. So labels, AutoCAD course creation. So this is I can create a label. So label is something like tags adding to the card. So if you have tags, it is easy to search. So this is content. So I'll put a green word and I will type it. This is content related. So I will add it. So next what I can have is it is for cat coach for TCC. I'll create a new label. I'll put yellow color. Then I'll create. Then I'll add it. So I have added two labels to it. Now first I can give a description. So description, this is related to creation of complete AutoCAD 2D drafting course for civil engineers. So I have created a description. I will save it. So now we have created a label. We have created a description. So and then we have a checklist. So checklist, let me add the to do in this for AutoCAD course creation. So to do, I will add an item. So first course roadmap, course items. Then I can add one by one items, all the list of course items. Then course upload, etc. This is one list. I can have another list that is to do. course contents. So under course contents, I can give introduction of the course. It's a video, it's a list of videos I have to do. Then I have to use AutoCAD user interface, etc. I'm not gonna do everything. So what we have in a card is we can add a label, we can add a description, we can add checklist, we can give dates, and we can attach something to the card. So the attach something to the card and cover custom fields we can create, but that is advanced Trello. I'm not gonna explain. So I can give a cover. So I can give an attachment. Attachment you can have 10 MB file or 25 MB file for a free version. Then we have something called power ups. Power up is something like plugin to the Chrome or plugin to the Trello. So it gives extra functionality to the different apps. It will interact with different websites, different apps, and give that is power ups. Automation is like automating the work list. Okay. So this is all about the cards. So one card can contain this much details. So if you see, if I have two labels, one label it is saying content, another label it is saying for the cat coach. So like that I can have different content for every card. So every card I can explain, every card I can have date and all those things. So now this is boards are over. Now we can have different views. I'll click table view. So table view, here it is nothing is available. So I'm not sure why it is there. Calendar, and we have not assigned dates and we have not assigned any table, so it's not visible. So this is all about Trello. Trello we can have different workspaces, different boards. Every board I will have different list. In different list we can have cards, and cards can be transferred from one list to another list. And yeah, that's it for a quick understanding about Trello. So with this same thing we can have it in the app and we can use it. So we can use in the app also, we can have the list and all those things. So basically it's like whatever in your mind you can put into the board and you can see it. So now I will see some advantage. So C# and Python is not immediate action. So when something later which I have to do, so whenever I see this list I will understand, okay, I have to allot time for C# and Python and what all things I have to do in my current state, current day, current list, how I need to do, what I have need to do, all those things we can bring it into the board and we can have a highly productive atmosphere for ourselves. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.